बात करेंगे। A very detailed explanation I had given to you. Now in the fourth part we will continue with the third we can say point was the atmosphere. Okay, previously I said in the atmosphere only gases is not there, है ना, सिर्फ गैस नहीं है, और क्या क्या है, we know the dust particles, water vapors etc. are there in the things. Okay, now in the atmosphere. Now if I talk about the layer, if I talk 21%, 0.99 means we will count as a 1% to 21% oxygen, 1% other gases, and 79% nitrogen will be counted, or 78% nitrogen can be counted. It means it will be counted as 100%. Understood this thing? Now, amount of gas in atmosphere. Gas like oxygen and nitrogen keeps living creature of the earth alive. Gas like oxygen and nitrogen keeps the living creature on the earth. गैस जो है वो क्या करता है, हमारे अर्थ में जो लिविंग क्रिएचर्स है उनको जिंदा रखता है. नाइट्रोजन रिड्यूस द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द ऑक्सीजन. नाइट्रोजन जो होता है वो हमारे इंटेंसिटी जो ऑक्सीजन होता है उसको रिड्यूस करता है. इट हेल्प्स अस टू मेंटेन. वाटर इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट इन एटमॉस्फेयर. वाटर जो है वो सबसे मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट है हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर के लिए. ड्यू टू हीट द वाटर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर इवापोरेट एंड मिक्स विद एयर विच इज नोन एज मॉइस्चर. और हीट की वजह से जो वाटर है वो फॉर्म ऑफ द वाटर वेपर इवापोरेट होता है, मिक्स इन द एयर इज कॉल्ड अ मॉइस्चर. व्हाट इज अ मॉइस्चर? Due to heat, whatever the evaporation is going on, the water vapors evaporate and that vapors mixed with the, we can say, the air, and what happens is known as the moisture. If I just ask the question, you can give the definition of the moisture, then you can give this type of definition. The process of cooling of vapor is called condensation. Again, the definition is there. What is a condensation? Okay, you can have the answer. The process of cooling of vapor is called condensation. The process of cooling of vapor is called condensation. Now, various forms. What is written here? Various forms of moisture like dew, fog, cloud, and precipitations are due to the condensation. Various forms of moisture like dew, fog, clouds, and precipitation are due to the condensation. बहुत सारे फॉर्म्स होते हैं मॉइस्चर के हवा के, ठीक है, जैसे कि धुंधला धुंधला सा फॉग, ड्यू, क्लाउड्स. दिस आर द फॉर्म ऑफ द कंडेंसेशन. द इफेक्ट ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर, ये जो इफेक्ट एटमॉस्फेयर का वो ह्यूमन बींग्स पे अक्सर हमें देखने को मिलता है. दिस आर द इफेक्ट्स कैन बी सीन इन द ह्यूमन बींग in the accepts of what? In the accepts of food, in the accept of food habitats, clothing, we said, even the colors, economic activities, etc., etc. What we are discussing? We are discussing the atmosphere. हम atmosphere के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं, ठीक है. अगर हम atmosphere के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं तो what we are doing? We can say the effect of the atmosphere is seen on the human being. ये जो whatever the dew, fog, whatever the moistures are there, this effect of the atmosphere is seen in being very accept of life, such as in their food habitats, in their clothing. Okay, हमारे खाने में, हमारे में नेचुरल टेम्परेचर जो होता है, जो एटमोसफियर होता है वो असर करता है. एवरी स्टेट हैव अ डिफरेंट एटमोसफियर. हर स्टेट का अलग अलग एटमोसफियर होता है, ठीक है. सम स्टेट्स हैव द मोर रेन, सम स्टेट हैव द लेस रेन. Some states have more, we can say the summer season, some have the less. Okay, some has the more winter season. In the north part, we know the snow falling is there, and some where heavy rain is there. Some where rain is not there. For example, Rajasthan is the hottest city. ठीक है ना? Rajasthan is the hottest city. We can say that. Okay. Now, different types. We can say these are the different aspects of the which impact on our human beings. Naturally, जानवरों को तो हर जगह they are getting the adjustments. Okay. They are just cooling, but human beings are the main factor which are living on the earth and so much populated. We are getting more affected from the atmosphere. हम atmosphere से ज़्यादा affect हो जाते हैं. It doesn't mean that animals and birds and insects or other creatures are not affecting. They are also affecting, but human being as a more important, they are affecting more. For example, talking about us only, so what are the changes we have seen? Food habits, हमारे food habits देखने को मिलते हैं, ठीक है. इसके अलावा हम कह सकते हैं क्लॉथिंग हमें देखने को मिलता है, हैबिटेट, हमारी आदतें, कलर्स, इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज, व्हाटएवर वी आर डूइंग, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन आवर एटमॉस्फेयर. Because we know some of the states are there which is covered by the south part. If I say it's covered 3 sides from the ocean, so what will happen? They will have the non-vegetarian food, है ना. 99% they have differing if they just goes to the Rajasthan or Gujarat, so dal bati famous. Why the food is different? Because due to the atmosphere, we can say the climate are changes, and due to the climate, we can say the rains are different, and due to which, है ना, बारिश नहीं होती तो क्लाइमेट डिफर होता है, जिसके कारण क्या होता है, बहुत सारे रीजन होते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई the value of the clothes, the houses, we can say the food and everything has been changes. बहुत सारे changes हमें देखने को मिलती है. ठीक है, this much understood. Now I am talking about many dust particles are seen in atmosphere. I say spreading of sun rays are visible. Spreading of the sun rays are visible due to these particles. अब ये जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं ये सनरेज को भी विजिबल करते हैं, नहीं तो डायरेक्ट दिन से डायरेक्ट रात हो जाएगी. ठीक है, द पार्टिकल शोज अस द इवनिंग पॉइंट, शाम होती है, बिकॉज द सन डायरेक्ट द अर्थ व्हेन जस्ट वी नो द रेवोल्यूशन एंड रोटेशन इज गोइंग ऑन, तो यू कैन बी हैव फ्रॉम डायरेक्ट डे टू नाइट. दिस पार्टिकल्स हेल्प द लाइट टू स्टे फॉर सम टाइम, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी आर गेटिंग इवनिंग फैक्ट. हमें इवनिंग फैक्ट देखने को मिलता है. Read here, some of the lines are given here. The spreading of sun rays are visible. Spreading of sun rays are visible due to these particles. Okay, and it is due to the dust particles that does not suddenly turn dark. So direct to dark नहीं करते हैं. After the sunset, it does not get in the turn bright. Direct सुबह नहीं होती है ना, धुंधला से होता, सुबह होने से पहले धुंधला होता है, शाम होती है, इवनिंग पार्ट होता है. That comes factor from here only, from the, we can say, from the dust particles. These particles come, they are in the atmosphere. The sun rays are reflected back with the help of the dust particles on the surface of the earth, and we receive the light of the sun, और हमें sun से light मिलता है. We are able to listen to the sound, हम sound को भी सुनते हैं due to the presence of the atmosphere. Due to the atmosphere, we know that voice very clearly is by empty, तो ज़्यादा जोर से सुनाई देती है, आवाज़ गूंजती है. ठीक है ना? The things are to be heard very loudly. If the voice, we say nobody is there, but if the peoples are there, what happens? We know the noise pollution is there. बहुत सारे लोग आवाज़ करते, that is called a noise pollution. That we can't able to hear the sound because the sound goes to a zigzag and doesn't have the form the proper right. Okay, इतना समझ में आया? That's why we can say we are able to listen to the sounds to the presence of the atmosphere. हवा की वजह से ही हमें बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होती है. आजकल तो मैं नो nowadays डिश टीवीज आते हैं. पहले ज़माने में एंटीना हुआ करते थे, हम घुमा करते थे उसको. ठीक है, we getting दूरदर्शन है ना, रेडियो सिस्टम was there, but now what डिश टीवीज आते हैं, डिश टीवी चैनल्स आते हैं, many of the channels आते हैं. And in the rain also various times it shows, but in the cloud heavy rain it stops because we know that it's just have the direct sunlight to the connection, it erupts. Same way we can say we are able, all the things are connected with each other, and even the sound, when you clearly hear whatever the loud sound or animal sound, whatever the sounds we are getting through our ears, each only for the atmosphere. Understood? That is why radio and दूरदर्शन telecast is possible. इसलिए रेडियो एंड दूरदर्शन जो है वो पॉसिबल है. रेडियो एंड दूरदर्शन प्लीज सैटेलाइट थ्रू जो कनेक्शन ऑफ स्पेस में जाने देते, पता ना, हमने देखा होगा अभी अक्षय कुमार की मंगल आई थी, where the satellites are going here and there, we are getting each and every connection, they are connected with the what? Due to the atmosphere only, due to the air we are able to see everything. Understood this thing? समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, understandable? Okay, understandable. This is the how the atmosphere, we have discussed the fact of the atmosphere point. Okay? Now, on the basis of which experience can you stay in the atmosphere exists on Earth? अब दो सोच, we know the three layers with combination of the biosphere living here. तो if a question is arise, अगर एक क्वेश्चन उत्पन्न होता है कि what is hydrosphere, what is atmosphere, lithosphere, biosphere, so all the answers we are getting, and from this diagram, not we can say this is the picture, form of the picture we can get this answer also. Okay, समझ में आया? Everyone understanding very easily? Okay, here what is given? Lithosphere, the land, atmosphere, the air and everything, hydrosphere, okay, and the biosphere. Okay, the four cycles you understand. Like scrolling down, अब नीचे की तरफ जाने दे रही हूँ. Human life and the spirit talks about the human life. This cycle shows about the human lives. Okay, understood this thing very easily? What is human life and sphere? Okay. Okay, now just go downwards. This is the biosphere. We have the next biosphere and then some diagrams and the chapter will be over. If we take a part 5 and we will over it. Okay. Now let's go to the biosphere. Now we will go a new part. It's a biosphere. Okay. What is the biosphere? The combination of the three of the things. है ना? The combination of the three of the things is called a biosphere. Okay, here a topic is there. What is biosphere? What in the biosphere? What things are there? First, we can say the air, then water, and then the land. It means hydrosphere, lithosphere, and atmosphere. Okay, we living creature. What is the living? I am not talking about the human being. I am not talking about the peoples. I am telling about all the creatures who are living, who want the oxygen, who are living. Who wants to live in the atmosphere, they all combines comes in the biosphere. Which is biosphere included vegetation, also human being, insect, animal, everyone. Okay, understand this thing? Vegetation means even the trees are coming inside it because they want to grow. They are growing. They are creature. They are taking the. They are putting out the oxygen and taking out the. We can say the carbon dioxide, but they also included in the biosphere. Understood? We can say the three combination. The whole chapter is there of the three combination, and these three combination is form a biosphere. Understood? Sorry. Okay. Previously we have said about the whole chapter is going on about the different layers of the earth which are existing nearby the us. Okay. Now, biosphere is one of the important sphere of the earth. Earth is only the planet in the solar system having the biosphere. Biosphere includes vegetation, animal, insect, human beings. Okay, I read that the part of lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere where the living world exists is known as biosphere. The part of lithosphere, hydrosphere, and the atmosphere where the living world exists is known as biosphere. Biosphere is one of the important sphere of the earth, and earth is the one planet in the solar system having the biosphere. यानी ये जो biosphere है पूरे हमारे अर्थ जो है पूरे प्लेनेट में है उसमें से सिर्फ हमारे धरती पे ही इतना समझ में आया सबको? अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? अंडरस्टैंड द आंसर? ओके, नाउ अबाउट द सेकंड थिंग. ठीक है, मैं दूसरे के बारे में बोल रही हूँ, जस्ट चेक इट आउट. ओके, अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग? तो दिस आर द पॉइंट वी कैन से वी हैव रीड इन दिस part. Okay, part 4 about the biosphere. Biosphere includes one of the things. Even biosphere includes the base of our existence and the living. It is divided into main parts: non-living and the living. Non-living things we can say the lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere are the non-living things. While the plant, animal, and microorganisms are included in the living world. It means the biosphere is divided into two parts: living and non-living. Which are the living things? Means which are take the oxygen. We can say plants, animals, all the microorganisms are included in the living organism. And next one is the non-living organism. Means the three layers: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere are covering in the non-living things. Understood this thing? इतना समझ में आया? Okay. I'm reading the sentence. Just check it out once more. What is there? The part of the lithosphere, by hydrosphere and atmosphere, where the living world exists is known as biosphere. There is the definition given. Okay. Then after, biosphere is one of the important sphere of the earth. Okay. Earth is only planet in the solar system having biosphere. और जो है पूरे सिस्टम में सिर्फ बायोस्फीयर अर्थ पे ही है, जिस वजह से हम लोग अदर क्रिएचर्स आर लिविंग. बायोस्फीयर includes vegetation, animal, insect, and human beings live obtain food and many other necessary things from biosphere. We cannot live without vegetation and animals. हम vegetation and animals के बिना नहीं रह सकते. We cannot live without vegetation and animals. Biosphere is the base. Biosphere is the base of our existence and living, and it is divided into two parts: non-living and the living. And we know which are the living and the non-living part. Here, the video has been over. Now we will do further on the other part. Okay, so what to do? Check the video and